Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tonka video. This one we're going to be attempting to install this nice license plate bracket that I got off of eBay. The reason I got this was Enthusiast Carhano has a nice one where his front license plate bracket is just a Lincoln emblem and then chrome. But unfortunately here in Iowa you have to have two unless the car is 25 years or older, but you still have to have at least one in that windshield panel up there. So plus I thought this one is pretty neat, so we're going to attempt to install it. It comes with this mounting hardware, some spacers, hiders, and the thing itself. This is stainless steel. The front is polished stainless steel, so hopefully with the amount of times I wash it and how I take care of it, this thing will last some time. The installation instructions are pretty straightforward, you know what it comes with and how to do it. Looking at this image, it wants us to remove the license plate and put these black spacers behind it. Now since it doesn't come with any screws or anything, we're just going to have to assume it wants us to keep using these bolts that are on it. So we're only going to need 2 instead of 4 of these spacers. And the size for this one is a 8mm. That just goes on the leg like that. You can also remove them with a flathead. And now we are going to mount this on, get it and rotate, and start removing these. Now that those are off, we got a good place for our bolts. We're just going to keep them right there so we don't lose them, and definitely don't put them in the grass. I took this off about 4 months ago at my dad's and cleaned this off. Take these 2 off, it comes out like that. My friend's 06 DTS, they spray painted it this very shiny gray, almost silver, and it's starting to peel, so they obviously didn't use some sort of clear coat, which is what you should do if you're going to spray paint anything that's going to be outdoors or anything that you care of. And now we have this taken off. We're going to remove these cleaning hardware with one hand. Looks like you got to get it from this side. There we go. Then it wants us to put the black round spacers on the back. Looks like it comes with this grippy type stuff. So that's what we are going to do. Installation could have been better of this adhesive. How does this fit just without it? Yeah, I see why that's going to need the mounts. And then the next one, line up the holes and then push it in. The next step would be to install the license plate and these bolts. Sorry, I keep saying screws. Put one of these through here, and I'm going to use 2 hands to start tightening that one on the right. Whoops, seems like I got a little ahead of myself. We totally forgot the bracket. We're going to put that on and then the bolts. What I just noticed is that the bolts, when you put them through, they go into the holes that they're supposed to screw into, and that's what also holds on the spacer, not just the adhesive that's on it. And there's no way I can do this with 2 hands. Let's try doing this with propping my phone up. Here's our thing. We're going to attach this, and the license plate just kind of sets in there. Hopefully blocking the Polk, the county, won't be a problem. Grab our bolt and put it through, and then to grab our other one, which is damn it, now I gotta find it. I put it in the grass because I'm dumb. I want to push in the bottom, but it seems like that there's not enough room to do so. So I don't think that's gonna work. Nope, that's not gonna work. So we can start tightening these. Need to bring up the right top corner. It's not an exact fit, but we'll go ahead and take this off, and then these little caps, I think they're thinking of this kind of like a universal kit. And so I don't think I'll be using these, but I will be keeping them. Just be keeping this little spot just in case. Now we can begin pulling this off. I don't know, you could say it looks tacky, you could not. I guess it's just kind of a preference, but I did basically get this for free with the amount of coupons I had saving up in eBay. Unless we don't like it, we just return it. And that is for this video, guys. And thanks for